Hi guys, yeah, this is the Vizio TV and same time monitor. Uh, I have a problem with this guy and HDMI is not no signal and there is no signal at all. So I decided to open it and look inside what is inside and what's wrong with it, and let's go ahead and together open it and see, educate each other. So what we're gonna do, I have a screwdrivers, one flips, one straight, and let's see what I'm gonna use. Two plastic that I can open the side way, and one small knife in case. So what we're gonna do first, this is the one that I have to take it out. Do you see this? Do you see this? Then just pull it, this plastic. Right. Oh, let me see. Not that way. Okay, just pull it. Thank God I didn't break it. So put this aside and let me get this cable this side. And I think how many screw we have? We have one here, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5 screws, and then I'm looking something that I can put inside, like small this kind of anything that you can put the screw inside. Okay, let's start it and take it out. This first, this screw. Okay, one is gone. Oh, you might need this kind of twister too, but if you don't have, no problem, because yeah, I don't want to lose the. Okay, a little bit more. I have to lose it, and come on, come. Okay. Anyway, okay. See, this is just put inside of this small box, and then go ahead to get the another screw here, right here, yeah, that's okay, that goes here too. And how many more? 1, 2, 3 more, and let's go ahead, get this. Okay, 1, 2, all right, and right there one more. Okay, all right, please put the somewhere safe, that while you're working you don't dump it. And okay, this twister goes right here. Okay, what we do first, I mean, maybe can you see that right there? Okay, just sideways open it. See, a little bit open that, and use this kind of plastic is better. Put the hair, and yeah. Oh, see, it's stuck here. Oh, it's broken. It's okay. Oh, let's try the. That's why I got the knife. That okay. Knife is it's more stronger. This is now broken. Okay, anyway, it's okay. That's good. All the way. You're going sideways, and you just bend it a little bit like this. All right. Okay. Oh, this side also little needs to open. Yeah, a little bit takes time, but yeah, what we're gonna do? Everything takes time. Okay. I think its knife is better, sharper. I did with the plastic. This is broken now. Okay, let's look inside. All right. So, as you see, guys, right there. This has a, say, as you say, HDMI. This is the main board. Let's take it out, all the cable, and just pull it. Okay, just pull it and take it out. This aluminum also, these two. I'll just take it out, put it aside. Yeah, we're gonna, how many screw we have now? Let's see, one here, and 4 screws that I can take it out. First I'm gonna take this guy. Put the side, right, box here, and here's one more. Let's find the problem, guys. Let's see what's wrong with this guy. Oh my god. This is my son monitor, and he complained that there is no signal. We try everything and it didn't work, and I said, oh, let me take it out and see what is wrong. Like, this is the one, just take it out. Let's see here. Okay, let's see, guys, what's wrong with this guy. Okay. Look, let's look together. I don't see. Oh, right there, something. Oh, look at these guys. Do you see this black? I mean, where I am? Do you see that? Black. There's black. There's this guy. There's black. And here there's a black. And what else? Let's see. Oh, look at this. I need to solder this. Look. As you see, yeah, oh, this is need solder too. And these are needs to clean, black. I think this is the problem. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. So that's why it's not giving any signal. So, yeah, we find the problem then. Of course, I have to solder all these things. Then, yeah, let me see how it's gonna be. But I think this is the problem. Yeah, as you see, all is black. Right here, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and others are needs the soldering more. Yeah, this is the problem, guys. So I'm happy to find the problem. Hopefully this video helpful you guys, and please subscribe, and yeah, and blessing to you guys, and see you soon with another video. Bye.